Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make your reel go viral instantly. If you keep posting the reels and you want one of them to go viral instantly, like you just posted, and you want your inbox to be filled with messages or your notification filled with likes, comments, share, and overall engagement. So, that could be possible if you follow some of the basic tips before posting or while posting a reel. So first you have to simply open up your Instagram app by clicking onto its icon. And once the app gets open, you will be onto its home page. Now you just have to simply go to your profile. So for that you have to click onto your profile icon which is in the right bottom. You can also see your profile picture onto it. Simply click onto it and you will be into your profile. Once you get there, then just simply create a reel by clicking onto that plus icon which is in the middle at bottom. Once you have selected the video, then you have to apply music, but not any music, only the trending music. If you add the trending music, then your video will go viral because everybody is listening to this music and searching for it. So if your videos will have that music, it will go to them and they will watch it, and overall you will receive the growth. So always make sure you use the Instagram music, also the trending one. And if you would like to do editing, here we have the options, you can do it. Then you will be onto this page. Now first you have to add a good caption related to your video or something again trending, like you can add the keywords. Along with that you also have to give hashtags. Make sure to give at least 3 hashtags necessary related to your video or maybe something that is trending. You can add more than 3, but the limit is minimum limit is 3. For more you can add up to 10 or maybe more than that. And after that you have to just simply check out other options as well, like this one, where you can just simply check out let upload at highest quality. And this option you have to make sure this is turned off, which is don't let others use this reel as a template. Make sure everyone can use it and everybody can download your videos, because if they do so they will post it on other platforms as well. Your awareness will increase and somehow algorithm will work for you in a way that your video or your account will be suggested to those people. If you work on to all these, you will notice that your videos will go viral instantly. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.